Neuraltext writing and marketing pricing explained what you get for your money. Neuraltext is an AI-powered writing and marketing platform, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just for generating text. In reality, Neuraltext combines writing, SEO research, and marketing tools to help businesses create high-quality content that ranks and converts. Neuraltext offers 3 main pricing tiers. The starter plan begins at per month and includes 50 AI-generated articles, SEO research tools, and basic templates. This plan is perfect for freelancers or small teams just starting with content creation. The growth plan costs per month and adds 200 AI-generated articles, advanced SEO tools, marketing workflows, and priority support. Growing teams often choose this plan to optimize content production while ensuring it aligns with SEO strategy. Pro plan is per month and includes unlimited AI content, bulk processing, custom templates, and enhanced analytics. Agencies and larger marketing teams rely on this tier to scale content creation and maintain consistent quality across campaigns. The surprising truth is that Neuraltext can automatically suggest keywords, headings, and meta descriptions while generating content, saving hours of manual SEO work. This integration of writing with SEO guidance is what sets it apart. In conclusion, Neuraltext pricing scales with content volume, SEO features, and team needs. Understanding your production and marketing goals ensures you select the plan that delivers the most value. If your goal is to streamline content creation, optimize for search engines, and produce high-quality marketing materials quickly, Neuraltext isn't just a writing tool, it's a full content and marketing platform built for results.